Dude, cheers,
this
bro.
deserves a cheers.
Barbacoa cheers.
Oh man, this is...
Sa video na to, gagawin natin isang malupit na Ultimate Davao and Jensen Food Tour. Mula sa pagbisita sa largest tuna market sa buong Pilipinas,
Nakakatawa.
pagkain ng iba't ibang malulupit at masasarap na pagkain ng Jensen,
Can't stop.
at syempre, titikman din natin mga pagkain ng Davao. Mula sa soup na gawa sa mata ng baka,
Sarap, sobrang sarap ng bulsay.
sikat na Davao Balbacoa,
That just ricocheted back in my fish.
bulkachong, at syempre, kakain tayo ng napasikat na Davao Durian.
May shield na ba yung kamay mo?
May shield na, wala nang kamay.
Wala na.
Mga Pops, Mark Queens and I welcome you to Jensen and Davao. Ready ka na ba? Tura!
Pare, good morning. Here in Davao City, it's 4 a.m. At yeah, last night, nakabiyahe na kami mula Zamboanga to Davao. Zamboanga, you've been amazing. Sobrang warm ng pag-welcome sa amin. But today, this morning, 4 a.m., we will meet Davao Food Guide Dayan. And Ying, Mark, and I will travel 3 hours, 30 minutes going to General Santos City and do a food tour. And babalik din kami mamayang gabi. Anyway, pare, good morning. See you there. Good morning, Mark Queens. Good morning dito sa General Santos, dito sa South Cotabato. It's nice to be back dito sa Tuna Fishport Complex, dito sa Jensen. Pare, dito ngayon, so Mark is filming B-rolls, doing his thing. And right now, there's a tuna testing. 7:30 a.m. but it's loud, bustling. You can see, bawal yung tamad dito. As in, lahat talaga. May action kada minuto, may action kada segundo. At yeah, this is crazy. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo. Mark is filming right now with Kuya Michael, our guide.
It's used to classify the tuna.
Dito makikita mo, ginagawa niya, tester yan. So, yung parang manipis na metal rod na yan, ni-stick niya doon sa pinakatuna, and then titignan niya kung maganda ba yung quality or what. So, alam na nila yan kung maganda o hindi. Ilan-ilan naman meron. Pare, it's crazier right now dito sa Jensen Fishport Market. I've been here like, I think April. At pero mas grabe yung action ngayon. Last time 9 a.m. ako dumating, ngayon 7 a.m. So mas maraming isda, mas maraming action. At it's getting crazier, louder, and more productive. Look at that. Buong klase. Anyway, Dayan, kasama natin si Davao Food Guide dito. Dayan, kamusta ang feeling? First time?
First time, masyadong takot ako baka maslide ako.
Parang lahat ng senses mo gagana, no?
Oo.
So,
sobrang intense sila dito.
So ngayon, nasa Jensen kami, pero tomorrow, doon magsisimula talaga yung literally Davao Food Tour. Anyway pare, tsura!
In General Santos City, this is the tuna capital of the Philippines.
Grabe. Grabe, nakakatawa. Let's go! Nagtatawan. Ang bigat yan eh. 82 kilos. Okay, so ngayon, behind the scenes ako. Matatawid tayo dito. Hindi ko alam ang pinapagawa ni Mark. Kaya dalawa yung brief kong dala eh. Dalawa yung dala. I'm acting that I'm not scared. You know, it's all okay.
Terrified.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Ang dako ko kasi nun eh, no? Okay, pare, touchdown dito sa Awings Balbacoa. First food spot namin dito sa Jensen. Kumain na rin ako dito, but this time, na-try naman ni Mark. At yeah, amazing experience. Kailan mo yun, like few months ago, nandito ako sa Jensen and I'm back with Mark Queens. Nakakatuwa na itong ginagawa natin. It's like, lahat to. all of these food spots na puntahan ko na. So nakakatuwa lang na ma-meet ulit yung mga owners, makapagkwentuhan. So parang binabalikan ko lang yung mga memories ko dito sa mga kainan na pinupunta namin ni Mark Queens. Pero special nga, dahil this time, siya naman yung papakainin ko ng mga nakainan ko dati. Okay, tapos tayo kumain sa aming balbakwa. Pops, di pa natatapos. Simula pa lang dito sa Jensan. Let's proceed on our next food trip. Kuya Gaway, long time no see.
Thank you, sir.
Kamusta? Ano, maraming tao ngayon?
Oh,
maraming
kanina,
tao.
sir, mga taga-Luzon, sir.
Oh, madami.
Oh, grupo-grupo, sir.
Medyo maswerte ako, medyo marami pa kayong ulam, no?
Oh.
Maaga ako ngayon eh.
Gani.
Nung kailan, after lunch na ako pumunta.
Hapon naman yun, sir. Tagaan mo, beef steak dire, Beng.
Ay, di sure, ulang, ano ba kaya naman? Nice to be back dito sa Gamay Eatery at Madam, salamat kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat kayo.
Thank you, sir. Welcome back,
You will
sir.
go to Jensan
Yes,
sa must
sir.
try na naman sa Gamay Eatery.
Yes, sir.
Legendary na to, 27 years pare. Salamat
Thank
kayo.
you, sir.
Lami kayo. Oy, Madam, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming back.
Thank you. Thank you. Kuya, thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Ma'am, salamat kayo sa inyo, ma'am.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you,
Thank
thank you, Choy.
Thank you for feeding me.
Anytime.
I'm always full. Hello po. Hello po. Okay, pare, touchdown. Dito tayo sa Rachel's Tuna Grill. It's nice to be back. Dito tayo nag-tuna feast. Iba't ibang sugba. At ngayon ay nandito kami. At Pops, pakita ko sa inyo to. Makita mo dito, Mark is filming this whole tuna and all of these. No, not all of these. And then, Kuya will slice a piece and he will make fresh sashimi. So, Pops, gagawin yung sashimi ito. When I say go, 1, 2, 3, rolling.
Welcome to General Santos City. This is the capital of tuna in the Philippines. Do you want one?
Me?
A shot like that?
For me?
Yeah,
Maybe we can take a photo?
yeah, we can.
Baka hinahanap ka na ng mga estudyante mo, ha?
Ano, hindi.
Mga estudyante ngayon ni Cliff.
Yeah, that's true.
Pasensya na si Prof. A ngayon, kasama namin, tsaka si Mark Wins.
lunch break.
Lunch break. Galing. Valid. Yeah. One huge tuna dito, gagawing sashimi and yung ibang parte, iihawin mamaya. This is Wild Pops. What this pare, this will be our fish here in General Santos here at Rachel's. All of this tuna, we have tuna pangarjo, belly, meron tayo ditong blue marlin, hindi ko alam anong parte to, may bahay guya, may bihod, calamares, karagatan, kinilaw, meron din tayo sashimi. Are you ready? That's the question.
I think I am.
Are you ready, man?
I hope I am.
Nahanap ka na ng mga estudyante mo.
Oo nga.
Bakain ka ng sashimi.
Kumakain ako ng sashimi sa lahat ng mga estudyante ko. Chill lang muna kayo dyan.
Okay, kamusta ang Rachel's? Kahit pabalik-balik ka na dito.
Yeah, sarap pa din talaga. They still continue serving quality food. Anong nahulog? Ang sasarap pa rin na pagkain dito. Tapos fresh pa talaga ino-offer nila. No, anything what you want. May belly, may panga, may marlin, may sashimi. And lahat ng gusto mo, andito na sa Rachel's.
Okay pare, busog na ako. Pero Mark is still eating the hell out of that fish, of that tuna.
Can't stop.
Man, you're finishing all of the tuna.
There's so much to eat.
So, how's Jensen overall so far?
So good.
Anyway, Pops, we will eat more here in General Santos. Tara! Okay, it's our last day and we're here in Davao City. This will be our last shoot. And technically, this will be our last episode for Mark Queen's channel. At sobrang excited na ako. I'm wearing his merch because this is the reason why we're doing this. All of this traveling. This is the reason why we have show. Even Mark Queen's. We always travel for food. So that was a fun 1 week together with Mark and Ying. And yes, sobrang excited na ako dahil last day na namin. And we will eat. What a way to end. Para kumain ng iba't ibang authentic Davao street food dito mismo sa Davao City. Anyway, pare, churra! Good morning, Mark Queen's. It's our last day, man.
Good morning. Good
Are you ready for our last day?
Yes. Yes, definitely.
Ultimate Davao Food Tour. So, man, I'm sorry. I need to wear
Nice. Yes,
yeah.
that is awesome.
We're couple.
We're a couple.
Yeah, couple shirts. Man, excited for today.
Yeah,
Thank you. He's a follower.
Thank you.
Grabe, parang alam mo dito, nakakatuwa. Kaliwat kanan, magugulat ka lang may sumisigaw. Hey, Mark Queen's! Hey, Mark Queen's! May mga a little bit of chewy, pero 90% hey, Mark Queen's! Nakakatuwa talaga. Iba talaga yung kasikatan ni Mark Queen's. Hindi lang sa Luzon, Visayas, pero lalo na din sa Mindanao. So, katulad nito, ilang segundo pa lang. How many seconds is that? 5 seconds? Another picture taking. This is crazy, man. This is not a ultimate Mindanao food tour, but it's an ultimate Mindanao selfie tour. That's the magic of Philippines. Yeah, everybody knows Mark Queen's. Anyway, we're ready.
We've had a lot of selfies this
What?
trip. The support of the Filipino people is incredible.
Incredible, man. They miss you. Anyway, pare, we'll just wait for Davao Food Guide and let's have our ultimate Davao food tour.
Today, and we're gonna eat something that's called.
Hey, Pops, so nakasakay ko ng tricycle sama sa Dayan, Davao Food Guide. At ilang kami? 5 kami. Maliit na tricycle going to our first food spot which is located in a neighborhood, small neighborhood. I've went there already. And yeah, I'm excited na kumain ng Bullseye ni Sir Romeo.
Oh, good morning. Here we go.
Good morning. Ayan, so papasok na kami ng Bullseye, Sandawa. It's been a long time. 2022, and the last time I went here. At hopefully, Sir Romeo is here. I think so. Ay, Kuya, good morning. Good morning. Naalala mo ba ako? Oo. You remember? Oh, sir. Long time no see, 2022 pa uli, sir.
In Davao.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's any welcome to Davao more than a big bowl of bullseye. Unbelievably thick and rich. Like it's gravy. It's the texture of gravy. Look at how much is going on in there. The oily fat, the collagen, the milkiness.
Ooh.
That is a lot of meatiness in your mouth all at the same time. Just immediately it just kind of coats your mouth.
This is my second time, but it's like my lips is virgin again with the Bullseye soup. Oh, that's nice.
That is straight up liquefied bull.
Right, let's go. Actually, bro, have you observed? Even the rice have a different texture already because of that soup, because of the thick soup. It became like, definitely it's like became more thicker. Yeah, and oilier, definitely. Oh, nice. This is good. Super good.
It almost, as you keep on hydrating your rice with that soup, because it's so thick, it almost turns into a congee on your plate.
Oh, yeah,
Like,
yeah. Another thing is, this Bullseye soup, it's like not common in Davao also. It's not like balbakwa or bulalo that everywhere you can find Bullseye soup.
Oh, yeah.
Only Kuya Romeo and this stall that is like in a hidden gem in a small neighborhood. You can only find Bullseye soup here. Ibang klase pare. Ang sarap, sobrang sarap ng Bullseye. Parang feeling ko first time ko ulit siya matikman. Parang nakalimutan ko na ganito siya kasarap, pero parang mas sumarap pa siya lalo. Anyway, what a great start para sa Davao food tour natin. Kahit ito tsaka kanin lang, pwede na. Pero, proceed tayo sa next food trip.
One more, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Alright. Sir, thank you. Salamat. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Pero pare, maniwala ka. Punta ka ng Davao. Sa must try talagang pumunta dun sa Sa must-try pumunta doon sa Bullseye. Sobrang sarap, sobrang kapal no sabaw, sobrang malinamnam. Kahit sabaw pa lang, pwede mo nang gawing ulam sa kanin. Yeah, pero susunod na food spot, mas legendary pa to. Sana nandun si Misana. So, para ma-meet ka si Mark. And so way back 2022, I went here and nice to see Misana again. Misana, hello! Guwapa kaayo, Misana. So, yeah, nice to see her again. So, kwentuhan lang din. I'm really loving the speed. Hi! Hi! So, medyo nagka-problem na kasi siya like 2 weeks ago. So, medyo nagka-mild stroke siya kaya hindi mapagsalita. Pero, naririnig ko pa rin yung boses niya. I can still hear your voice because of your smile. Yeah, seriously. Guwapa kaayo pa rin. Hindi nagbabago. Thank you, Misana. Thank you. Ibang klase, pare. Bukod kay Misana, it's nice to eat again. Ito kayo ng famous tapang kalabaw. May pakita ko sa inyo. Ang sarap pa rin. Hindi pa rin nagbabago. That flaky, crispy, flavorful. Okay, next pare, touchdown. Nandito si legendary Luz Kinilaw. 2 years ago, I went here. Actually, it's a great time na lunchtime. So, punong-puno yung griller nila ng iba't ibang mayamonggo. Sobrang laki ng mga skewers ng isda. May puset, may bagaybay, may bihod. At syempre, yung kanilang iba't ibang tuna. Anyway, so Mark is filming right now. Diane is waiting here. And Ate is grilling here. And Mark is filming here. Hey, you're doing your A-game, bro.
Dude, that is steamy back there, man.
You're doing like under. What camera shot is that?
Sauna.
What do you call that? That's not underroll.
Yes.
That's not a B-roll.
That's called under the sauna shot.
Under the sauna shot.
Bagaybay.
Bagaybay?
It's just a total dedication to the tuna with so many lesser-known parts of the tuna that you didn't even know you could eat. But they're on our table right here.
Yeah, let's go, man. Yeah, so as you can see, Jensen is like a 2-hour, 3-hour drive from here. So somehow it's correlated, their dishes. But you know, Luz Kinilaw since 1970s, 1960s, they know what they're doing. If you will observe, this looks like the most classic one. It's not too colorful.
Yeah.
It's like the basic Kinilaw. Let's go.
Amazing.
Just really pure. Very simple Kinilaw, but you know.
That's, for me, when it comes to Kinilaw, I like the simple flavor.
Me too.
Focusing on the freshness of the fish.
Male and the female.
This is the bihod.
The
Yeah.
table.
This is the female
Let's
one.
go with the female.
Yeah, sure. Just like a solidified egg yolk.
You can feel the crumbliness. Falls apart. It falls apart and crumbles in your mouth. And then it has this hint of a bitterness that brings out the flavor. But a sweetness that follows.
Yeah. And then a little bit crunchy on the outer side, a little crisp because all of that grilling.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. As you observed earlier, bro, we're very lucky. It's like we arrived like 12:30 p.m. I think, or 1 p.m. And their cabinet full of different tuna and squid is almost sold out. Luckily, we reserved. Yeah, luckily we reserved.
They sell out like by lunchtime sometimes.
Yeah, and it's Saturday right now. That's why, you know.
High demand.
Yeah. Can you handle spiciness?
Yeah, but not.
Not like this one.
You want to try? I'm good.
It came from your pants, Mark?
Yeah, I pulled it out of my...
You pulled it out from your pants. Hey, tell that to the camera. Pare, I'm back here at Past Eatery dito sa Barangay Rohan Market dito sa Davao. Sa Isbay Back, nakakatuwa na naalala pa rin nila ako 2 years ago na yun, pero they remember me. Isa lang sinasabi nila, ha? Kala ko mataba ka, di ba mataba ka nun? Siyempre, calisthenics is life. Wala umaga, kumakain kami. Pero di pa natatapos. Tutok-batok na naman to. Tara!
The next thing we need to try is that skin, the tendon, the gelatin, the hoofs. That is an unbelievable. Whoa, nice. Oh, it just kind of comes off.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the right technique there. Oh, dude,
Cheers,
this
bro.
deserves a cheers.
Barbacoa cheers.
Oh man, this is. Oh, I'm hot. Oh, that just ricocheted back in my face.
Like I'm in heaven right now, but I think maybe literally later. Oh my god.
Yeah, if you eat this on a daily basis. Oh, smoldering hot. Just immediately coats your mouth in this gelatin stickiness.
Hindi mo paborito di oh.
Jeday kaon. Busog na. Busog ka na.
Morte, isa rin kamay. Morte lang. Only in the Philippines.
And durian.
Okay, so kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Pasig Eatery, klase putok-batok talaga. Dayan, kamusta ang Davao Food Tour with Mark Queens? Kamusta si Mark Queens?
Very friendly, very accommodating. Pansin ko sa kanya, he's very natural lang. Hindi masyado yung okay, do this or that. Kung ano lang, hindi nga siya maarte sa table or kahit dapat na set up natin na mabuti. So, I think I learned a lot na okay, you have to really adapt kung saan ka. And galing. Pati
Anyway,
si Papi, syempre
subscribe kayo,
magaling si Paps.
follow kayo, Davao Food Guide. Literally siya nag-guide sa amin sa Davao. Alam niya lahat. Anyway, ikaw Jeday, kumusta pare?
Si Mark? Ako?
Oo.
Si Mark?
Si Mark Villar.
Grabe si Mark. Parang gets ko na ba't yung mga nagko-comment sa post namin, sili. Diba? Kasi mahilig siya sa maanghang talaga.
Paps, nakailang sili ako ngayong araw. O bibilang ko.
At least
10, no?
At least 10 siguro.
So anyway, sushoot kami ngayon.
Hindi kasali yung mga nasa sasawan.
Ang meet and greet.
Thank you. Meet and greet, Bangkarohan.
Proud Davao City!
Okay pare, tapos na kami magbulkachong. Gabi na. At magdudurian pa kami. Ang bihira. Ay. Mark.
Oh, it feels good to sit down.
Oh my God.
Never felt so good.
Where's my lighting?
Last food trip natin sa Davao, kailangan natin tapusin ng Davao durian pare. Ibang klase. Sobrang daming klase ng durian. Like, may musang pinata, meron senyorita doon which is maliit. Ayan, mga ilang durian meron sila dito.
Can go to as high as mga 20 plus varieties.
Varieties, 20 plus.
Yes. Siyempre, hindi kita papalisin ng Davao pag hindi ka nagdurian. Dapat matry mo yung Davao durian, the best.
Excited na ako. Bira lang ako ng mga kain ng durian. Hindi araw-araw kumakain ng durian. Hindi rin madalas. Sa Malaysia ka, di pa ako mag-durian, pero excited ako mag-durian dito sa Davao. Oh, naalala ko, yung unang durian ko dito ako nakain sa Davao, kaya excited ako kumain.
Isa, duha, tulo, pat, lima. Oh, dito.
Ano yan?
Oh,
Ano, may shield na ba yung kamay mo?
may shield na. Wala nang kamay.
Wala na. Ay!
Hindi na yan.
Okay, nasasaktan para sa'yo.
Walang sakay yan.
Mukha ng chili, matapang, no? Oh, matapang. Right now, Mark is filming a bunch of durian. Ying enjoying her durian. So, ang dami, sobrang dami. Ito, Malaysian daw. May Davao Selection. May Senyorita. Ibang klase.
Durian paradise in Davao. Oh man, we have a sea of durian that he's opened for us. The aroma, my mouth is watering. Go ahead. Oh, the cream. Davao.
Durian cheers!
Davao cheers. Really, quite that like
really thick butter texture that kind of sticks to the roof of your mouth a little bit. The flavor is sweet. It's not too bitter. It's mostly like sweet nutty.
Now that you said it, I do get the butterscotch, like buttery taste.
Arancito?
Arancilio.
Arancilio.
I'm almost hesitant to try it, you know, because I feel the heat already. I would feel that effect of the Arancilio.
Oh, this one is phenomenal.
Oh yeah.
It's not quite as sticky. It's a little more watery than the other two, but this has a deep complexity, a nice bitterness finish.
You're laughing again, Ning. You're always laughing at me, ah.
Jedi, go for it.
Mild.
Yeah.
Mild, yeah. No man, to be honest, this is like a durian masterclass for me. I think in my entire life, I've eaten only 2 kinds of durian.
Oh wow!
In Davao and in Manila. And I was really shocked that, oh my God, there's a lot of varieties. And believe me, my tongue right now is like really playful.
Rejoicing.
Rejoicing with different kinds of flavors.
The difference is so like pulls apart, right? It's not like, oh, it's the same but a little bit different. But
Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat. Salamat kayo.
Thank you kayo.
Dito, the best
Sama sa'yo. Sama-sama
One
tayo.
more time. Grabe talaga. What? Thank you.
Okay pare, it's nice to be back at my hotel room. It was a fun day full of greasy, cartilagey, high cholesterol food here in Davao, but it was insane. So after our shoot at the Durian Place, we went to a nice dinner, like a small meet and greet with the fans of Mark. And yeah, we had a fun dinner, fun kwentuhan, and this wrap up our food tour, our ultimate Mindanao food tour. And then tomorrow is our flight at mag-film pa kami ng isang episode para sa second channel ni Mark. And then yeah, they will fly to Bangkok and I'll fly back to Manila. But tomorrow, let's conclude this video tomorrow. Anyway pare, good night na. Antok na ako. Uy, diyan pa pala kayo.
Wheels on the ground.
Okay, pare, it's literally our last day. We're still here in Davao. And just refreshing na after almost 1 week, no? Our ultimate Mindanao food tour. Kasama si Mark Queens and we enjoyed a lot. We met a lot of people. We ate a lot of food. Mindanao food, Tausug food, Maranao food, Bisaya dishes. It was insane, pare. But today we'll still film one more restaurant for his second channel. And yeah, I mean, it's been a fun 1 week. Sobrang surreal lang eh. Siguro yung 2018 Chewy, for sure, he thinks this will be impossible. This will be really impossible during that time. Nung nangangarap lang siya, mini-message niya na si Mark Queens. Mini-message ko lang si Mark Queens during that time. Kinukulit ko, hi, I'm a fan. Parang itong 1 week na to, I mean, nagkita na kami sa Bangkok, pero itong 1 week na to, yung mismong nakasama ko siya, nakasama ko si Ying, mas nakilala ko siya, ang dami namin napagkwentuhan. A lot of advices, as in sobrang dami advices. Hindi lang sa vlogging, pero maging sa buhay. I really learned a lot. I really learned a lot. For sure, this is one of the best highlights sa buhay ko. Hindi lang sa career ko, pero buong sa buhay ko. And it was really insane. Imagine, pinapanood ko lang dati siya habang kumakain ng pansit canton ng alas 10 ng gabi sa harap ng maliit na computer namin na pinaghahatian ko pa ng kapatid ko. And fast forward to 2024, na kasama ko na siya dito sa Davao. Hindi lang sa Davao, iba-ibang probinsya ng Mindanao. And I was able to guide him. I was able to organize a food tour or a 1 week food tour sa iba't ibang probinsya na napuntahan ko na rin. At ma-meet niya yung mga lokal na nakilala ko. Matikman niya yung mga pagkain na nakain ko. At ma-representa hindi lang yung Luzon, Visayas, pero maging dito sa Mindanao. So, yeah. Di pa tapos yung video dahil mamimit pa natin siya mamaya and punta pa kami ng airport. Sana you enjoyed a lot because I really enjoyed a lot. At yeah, good morning everyone. Chura! Okay pare, a few hours away from our flight, but kasama namin Davao Food Guy, tsaka si Jedi, and then Chef Jin Gonzalez is also here. So right now, we're in a small local coffee shop, and then maybe we will have a small coffee break. Then after that, we'll eat at Rebecca's Halal Barbecue. Actually pare, excited na magkape. Nagkape na ako kanina pero Kape is life.
This is our pour-over. We use Brazil. Our cold brew, we have two different cold brew. We have the normal cold brew and we have the sweet cold brew. So hope you like. Hope you.
Oh, thank you. What is this one?
This the citrus cold brew.
Citrus
This
cold brew.
after I step the cold brew first 24 2 hours. 2 hours is 48 hours.
Ano to?
Cold brew.
Cold brew.
Iba din yung pour-over, sir.
It's just keeps on coming and coming.
Lighter flavor.
Sobrang daming kape dito, like we're tasting like different authentic fresh coffee, cold brew dito sa Davao. I can't imagine na dito sa Davao kami inom ng ganito klaseng kape.
White tea, then normal or single origin Brazil.
Wow, kakaiba. Parang tequila. No, medyo parang coconut tea, parang may coconut water yung lasa niya na medyo parang alcohol. Oh, nice. Unique. Sobrang unique. Okay, pare. Dadakay ng Davao City sa mga stride dumaan dito. Sa Dark Roast. Tama, sir, no? Dark Roast.
Dark roast. Dark coffee.
Dark coffee. Dami ko nainom na kape sa isang minuto. Thank you.
Tubig lang tayo.
Man, believe me, last night.
Do you have durian burps?
I have durian dreams. Durian is hunting.
The durian burps.
With Kuya Tito.
It's always a...
Tapos na kami magkape. Ngayon, punta sa Rebecca sa Barbecue. At ko nainom ng kape.
Hey, Chewy!
Nice meeting you finally.
Finally, I've always been following all your vlogs. Ang sarap ng mga vlogs mo pa.
Chef,
You know good food where it is.
Man, this is the legend, Chef Jean. I mean, panigurado. Nakita nyo na siya, panigurado. Baka natikman nyo na yung pagkain niya.
Kakain kami ngayon.
Ayaw, dito sa kasama. Meron tayong special guest.
Meron tayong special guest. Asan special guest? Ayun nagbibideo.
Pero anyway,
yan.
Tara. Hindi mo kahit na mag... Sorry kunin ko lang. Thank you.
Bye-bye! Hey, you coming with us?
Chef Jean, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. See you soon.
Dapat.
Thank you, Chef. Maraming salamat. See you next time. See you soon.
They were all really nice.
You made them really happy.
People, yeah.
Diane, thank you so much.
Thank you. See you.
Yeah, see you. Very nice to meet you. Yeah, next year. Okay, pare. Literally, this is our last day, and we're already at the airport and about to board in a few hours. Mark, I wanna thank you so much, man. It was a fun trip.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Awesome trip.
Awesome. Ma'am, what do you think about, what's your conclusion about Mindanao overall?
Mindanao, I think it's a lesser explored region of the Philippines, but it has so much to offer. Especially, we traveled for the food, so the food has been really diverse, really flavors that you wouldn't have a chance to experience if you in other parts of the Philippines, and also the cultures, the natural beauty.
Thank you so much, man.
Thanks, bro. Yeah,
actually,
thanks for taking us
I'm
around.
tired. I have no energy anymore, but it was worth it. It was worth it.
We went all out for 6.5 days. It was non-stop. Yeah, good energy, man.
I want to thank also the people that will help us in each provinces, like from CDO, Marawi, Zamboanga, Jensen, and especially here in Davao. Man. See you soon again. Thank you so much.
Thanks for all the arrangement.
No problem, man. No problem. Pare, dito nagtatapos ang ating isang Ultimate Mindanao Food Tour with Mark Queens. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ako si Chewy, kasama si Mark dito sa Mindanao. Sabi, stay safe. It's a good night and
goodbye.
Bye.
Bang.
Okay, should we eat pad krapao?
Let's eat some pad krapao.